Volkswagen ID Buzz and other Hot Wheels. Boom! Look at that Volkswagen ID Buzz. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at, oh my gosh, the details are just amazing, especially on the front end there. I mean, I wish they had a grill, but like, you gotta give them the credit. That looks literally so good. Next up, we have this, I believe, Subaru Impreza. I've had this one for a while, so it is kind of getting beat up, but I really like this one. It's a, oh, my mom is doing yard work outside, and it sounds really crazy, but yeah, I kind of like that one. Then we've got this really old Chevy thing. I think it's like a, it's called a 60 Fine. I don't know, whatever. It's kind of low quality. I've had this one for a while. Put it straight. Oh my gosh. That's the garage door closing, guys, not a, like, bomb. Okay, so this is a Ford F-150. This is a beautiful one. I really like this one. It's a Raptor. Or no, I think it is a Ford Raptor. That's a beautiful truck. And for the final car, we got this Chevy Cobra, I think. Come on, what is it? Ford, it's a Ford Shelby Cobra, I think. This is a beautiful, beautiful car. Look at that. I've had that one for a while, but. So, those are all of your cars. Like this video if you like at least one of these cars, and I will see you on the next one.